Xin Chao and welcome to Dustin Eats. I'm Dustin and today we have a very special guest. You may remember her from the Dustin Eats Spicy Ramen Challenge and the Dustin Travels Vietnam series. It's Natalie Na.
Xin chào everyone.
Today we are going to make Ca Phe Trung, also known as egg coffee.
Egg coffee is a popular drink originating in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. It's basically Vietnamese coffee topped with a luscious sweet cream made of egg yolks, sugar, vanilla extract, and condensed milk.
If you've seen my Dustin Travels Northern Vietnam video, you might recall Ngoc and I had egg coffee for the first time at Ca Phe Yang, one of Vietnam's most popular cafes. Today, Ngoc and I are going to show you how we make our version of egg coffee.
This recipe makes 2 servings. To make Ca Phe Trung, first you'll need coffee. Today we're using Trung Nguyen, which is the #1 brand from Vietnam, or you can use your favorite brand. Cafe Du Monde is very popular in the States. Then you'll need 2 egg yolks, a teaspoon of granulated sugar, a splash of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk.
First, we're going to boil some water. While the water is heating up, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of coffee into my Vietnamese coffee filter. I bought this coffee filter in Hoi An at the night market for less than $2. And then I'm going to put the coffee filter onto a glass jar in a bowl.
Next, I'm going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites, and we're going to save the egg whites for Vietnamese pizza, which we'll make in our next video.
Now that our water is boiling, I'm going to pour just a little bit of hot water into our filter to let the coffee grounds bloom for about a minute. And then I'm going to pour 1 cup of hot water into the filter.
Ouch! You got some on me!
And then I'm going to pour some hot water into the bowl to keep the coffee hot.
While the coffee is brewing, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a splash of vanilla extract and whip them together with a hand mixer for 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and continue to beat for 4 more minutes. Look how slowly it's coming out. I have a trick for you, Dustin. Something that my parents taught me at a very young age. This is how you get the condensed milk to come out faster. You just blow on the other side. But look, it's so much cleaner and less messy without having to open the whole top. There you go, look. A nicely measured tablespoon of condensed milk. One more time. How do you like them apples? By the way, the reason why we are making the egg cream mixture in a glass measuring cup is because it will be easier to pour over the coffee later.
Now that our coffee is brewed and our egg mixture is nice and creamy, we're going to pour our coffee into 2 cups and reserve a little to pour on top.
Nicely done. See how easy that was with the measuring cup? Look how frothy it is. To keep the coffee warm, we're going to serve the egg coffee in a little bowl of hot water, just like how they do at Cafe Yang.
That's good.
Oh shit. Oh shit. It's hard because you're like...
And there you have it, Ca Phe Trung, Vietnamese Egg Coffee. Một, hai, ba, zo!
Just like Vietnam. The luscious sweet cream balances out the bold flavors of the coffee perfectly.
This coffee brings back memories of our trip to Vietnam. We need to go back again soon.
Yes!
Yam Un for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And follow my food adventures on Instagram at Dustin Eats. And follow Ngoc at DreamDoll19.
Have an excellent day!
This video was brought to you by Terrarium Kits. DIY air plant mini gardens that are fun and easy to assemble. Each kit contains all the supplies needed to create a fabulous terrarium for your home or office. Use code YouTube for 15% off.
This video was also brought to you by Comb to Kush, an online retailer that specializes in cute pins and merch for the cannabis enthusiasts. Use code YouTube15 for 15% off.